You've heard the buzz about QuickBooks Self-Employed, Intuit's newest cloud accounting product that's designed just for Schedule C filers. But what does it really do, and how can you and your clients benefit from it? My name is Heather Satterley, owner of Satterley Training and Consulting. I like QuickBooks Self-Employed because it offers self-employed individuals a way to easily organize their Schedule C income and deductions so that they can keep track of how their business is doing and they're ready for tax time. While QuickBooks Self-Employed has features similar to those found in QuickBooks Online, you can track other things with QuickBooks Self-Employed too, like mileage and your estimated tax payments. Let's take a look. QuickBooks Self-Employed is designed specifically for self-employed workers like Uber or Lyft drivers, personal care professionals, independent sales consultants, healthcare workers, or creatives who moonlight in addition to their day job. Generally, individuals that need to keep track of their self-employed income and expenses, and sometimes use a single bank account for both personal and business. A typical QuickBooks Self-Employed user doesn't keep track of accounts receivable, they don't have employees, and they may work at multiple locations. QuickBooks Self-Employed is a tool that gives self-employed workers insight into their cash flow and spending trends. Clients can connect their bank and credit card accounts or even link their PayPal or Etsy accounts to QuickBooks Self-Employed. Once connected, their transactions are automatically downloaded daily where they can be assigned to the appropriate Schedule C categories. Your client can access QuickBooks Self-Employed from a browser or by using the mobile app. When your client downloads the mobile app for Android or iOS, they can enable automatic mileage tracking, which works with the GPS function in their mobile device to keep track of their deductible mileage. The mileage tracker in QuickBooks Self-Employed gives your client a comprehensive, accurate mileage log, which allows them to keep notes such as business purpose and client. The mobile app is a great way to keep track of receipts too. The client can take a picture of a receipt with their phone and use it to create an expense transaction in QuickBooks Self-Employed. I love this feature because it provides me with the source documents for expenses that I can use in case of audit. My clients love it because they can take a picture instead of hoarding receipts in a shoebox until the end of the year. QuickBooks Self-Employed has a simple to use invoicing feature that can be branded with a logo and used to create invoices for work performed, billable expenses, or billable mileage. Your clients can even add QuickBooks payments to their account, which allows their customers to pay the invoice by credit card or bank account with just a few clicks. As the client records their income and expenses, the estimated tax projector uses the information entered in the tax profile to calculate the required payments for each quarter. This tells your client how much money they should set aside for their next payment. You can add your QuickBooks Self-Employed clients to your client list if you're using QuickBooks Online Accountant, and you can add them to your wholesale billing account. A QuickBooks Self-Employed subscription is a great way to add additional value to the services you already provide to your clients. It can really help them to organize their financial information for tax time and throughout the year. The Accountant Toolbox provides shortcuts to reports and features commonly used by accountants and presents information in a format that is easily inputted into your tax return software. In fact, the preset chart of accounts in QuickBooks Self-Employed correlates to the specific lines on the Schedule C. You can help your clients with proper categorization by setting up rules that tell QuickBooks Self-Employed which category to use based on the text imported from the bank or credit card account. You can even set personal and business allocation amounts or percentages in the rules. Learn more about QuickBooks Self-Employed and check out the test drive company by visiting quickbooks.intuit.com/accountants/self-employed.